Hi, I'm Brandon Boyd, a chairman at iMarketslive. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make money from your phone without recruiting friends, family, or coworkers. Sound good? All right, let's go ahead and get started. You know, when I was 19 years old, I read a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It absolutely changed my life. One of the things that I learned in there is he talked about what's called the cash flow quadrant. And he talked about the 4 different ways that people earn money. The left side being employees. These are people who trade time for money. They have limitations. They have no unlimited income potential. They literally are trading their time to make money. When you look at those who are self-employed, these are people that essentially own a job. These are people that are what's called do-it-yourselfers. They might, instead of working 40 hours a week, they might work 60, 80 hours a week because they have literally bought themselves into a job. Now, one of the things that Kiyosaki pointed out that I thought was so interesting, and it literally changed my mindset at that time, is he said that 95% of the world was on the left side of this quadrant as employees and self-employed business owners. The interesting thing is 95% of people reside on that side, yet they only control 5% of the world's wealth. Is that not phenomenal? He then pointed out the right side, business owners, where they are building systems. They're building their assets. They can even have people working for them. They are business owners. These are people that are controlling their destiny. They have no limits on their income potential. They can make residual income. Then he talked about investors. These are people that have assets and systems working for them. They have money working for them, growing every single day. The amazing thing is you have 5% on the right side of the quadrant, yet they control 95% of the world's wealth. 95%. That to me made me say, you know what? I'm going to need to switch from the left side to the right side. If I want to become financially free, if I want to have time freedom and financial freedom and have debt freedom, I'm going to need to make the transition from the left side to the right side of the quadrant. And that's exactly what I was able to do. This is the first time in my career that I've been fully on the right side as both a business owner and an investor at the same time. So what I want to cover now is what we're actually dealing with. Any of you have ever heard of foreign exchange or Forex before? 2 years ago, I really didn't know much about the foreign exchange or Forex at all, period. I actually thought it was maybe the stock market, but then I found out the stock market does about $30 billion a day in trading volume. Found out that the foreign exchange does over $5.3 trillion, okay, with a T, trillion dollars a day in trading volume. And for a little bit more information so that you can visually see the power of Forex, watch this.
What is Forex trading? The term Forex is short for foreign exchange market, which is the place where different currencies are exchanged in a continuous fashion by millions of people all over the world. Tourists who travel from one country to another must exchange currencies in order to pay for a local product or service. A wad of euros would be totally useless to an Italian tourist wishing to visit the Sphinx in Egypt because it is not the locally accepted currency. The tourist would have to exchange his euros for the local currency, Egyptian pounds, at the existing exchange rate that day. Even without boarding a plane, residents of one country exchange currencies with another country each time they purchase a foreign product. For example, if you're living in the US and want to buy a nice bottle of French wine, you may pay for it in dollars, but the wine has already been paid for in euros. Somewhere along the line, either the wine producer or the American importer had to have exchanged the equivalent value of US dollars, USD, into euros. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange or other stock markets, there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, OTC, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than on one centralized exchange. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The need to exchange currencies is the primary reason why the Forex market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It outperforms other markets, including the stock market, with an average traded value of around US $2 billion per day. So why would anyone trade Forex? Ask 3 different people and you will get more than 3 different answers. Of course, right off the bat, making money is the most frequently cited reason, and this is a perfectly legitimate motivation. We all live in a world where money, even if it can't buy everything, can certainly still make life a lot more enjoyable. There are some people who trade in the Forex market because they see it as a form of gambling and betting on the winning number. It really can be a lot of fun, especially if you win. And there are others who trade Forex just for the personal satisfaction of making a trading system work for them and coming out with the results they aimed for. We are always satisfied when we make the right choice and come home the winner. You see, the common factor for why people trade Forex is quite simple. One way or another, these people are getting whatever it is they want: money, enjoyment, or self-satisfaction.
So I hope that you guys can see the power of the foreign exchange, the largest, most liquid financial market in the entire world. So what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is show you how with the foreign exchange, how you can literally make money from your phone without recruiting friends, family, and coworkers. So the company that we partnered with that's been in business over 4 years is called iMarketslive. Now we call it IML, but it's short for iMarketslive. Incredible company, been in business over 4 years. They are debt-free, they're privately owned, they are global in over 120 countries around the world. Incredible. Teaching people how to make money from their phones, how to make money right from their computer, and giving you guys the ability to control your financial destiny. Now, behind the company, which to me is the most important thing, is the founder and CEO, who I've had the privilege of meeting myself, getting to know him, Mr. Christopher Terry. Christopher Terry has made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange over the last 2 decades. He's been featured on Bloomberg Radio. He's been a weekly contributor to themoneyshow.com. He's been featured and quoted in books and magazine articles, featured speaker at the Traders Expo. He's traded personal and corporate accounts over $50 million. All right? This guy has been ultra successful. Now, the thing that I love most about Christopher Terry, he has a heart of gold. Heart of gold. Absolutely loves people. He's now teaching what he's gained over the last 2 decades to help us, to help you become successful in your life and in your business. Now, we've got an incredible executive team. Their goal over the next 3 years is to empower, to enrich, and to educate over 1 million customers over the next 3 years.
One of the things that makes iMarketslive unique is that all the results with our services we say are not guaranteed. You can't ever guarantee any type of investment. We don't trade your money. We don't handle anyone's investments, don't take investments. iMarketslive doesn't earn on any of your trades. It's completely in your own brokerage account. No commissions are earned. You can enter and exit trades at any time. It's completely at your own risk. And the objective, again, is to empower, enrich, and educate millions of customers around the globe.
Now, about 2 years ago, I heard of a concept called mirror trading. Now, if you have never heard of mirror trading before, I didn't either. I want to tell you how powerful mirror trading is. If you have no knowledge of the foreign exchange, in fact, if you don't even have the desire to have the knowledge of the foreign exchange, to trade from your phone and understanding currencies and those kind of things, mirror trading is like if you were to go to the gym and you were to have someone do all the sets, all the reps, and you are gaining all the muscle from their work. That's what mirror trading is. So the way that it works is they have professional experts that they have hired who trade part to full time. Your account is connected to their account. So for example, the first product that was released that I saw when I first took a look at this company was FX Signals Live. It is a mirror trader. Now, a lot of people call it the auto trader, but it's actually a mirror trader because it is mirroring the trades of the experts. You simply upload your money to your brokerage account. You connect it to the actual FX Signals Live, and all the trades that take place will execute on your account. Guys, this is a wealth creation tool. This is your savings account on steroids. Far better than you're going to find with a 401k, Roth IRA, CD, those kinds of things, doing between, on average, 2 to 10% a month, not a year, a month return on your money. Now, past profits don't guarantee future profits. This is based on past history, past results that we have. But guys, I'm telling you, you got to put your money to work for you. Remember, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you've got to have money working for you instead of you just working for money if you want to have financial freedom.
I started out with $500 on an auto trader less than a year ago. It made me $35 within my first week or so, and I've been addicted and paying it forward ever since.
Now, the second product that was released, so phenomenal, called the IML Fusion Trader. The Fusion Trader is just like FX Live, but it is on steroids, okay? High activity, high frequency. These traders are extremely active on a daily basis, doing 5, 10, 15, 20 trades in a single day, all right? Much more aggressive. So you might even see days where you do 1%, 2%, even 3% on your account in a single day, although we cannot guarantee that. Based upon past results that we've been able to see, you can get absolutely phenomenal returns without any guarantee on your money. You control it. You can upload as much as you want. You can withdraw whenever you want at the same time. Incredible product that you guys need access to. Now, about a year ago, we developed this tagline called Copy, Paste, Profit. I'm going to tell you right now, if you know how to copy and paste from your phone, you can absolutely be successful in iMarketslive. So we developed an app called Swipe Trades. This is where you earn while you learn, all right? So for example, we have professional experts, both the CEO, Justin Adams and others, who will literally put trades through this app that will send the trade alerts to your phone, and it will pop up just like a text message. It's going to tell you if it's a buy or sell. It's going to give you the entry, the take profit, the stop loss. All you have to do is copy and paste that trade that they gave to you into your free trading app, execute the trade, and have the potential to make money. Now think about that. That's like you going to college. There's a smart person there. He takes the test for you. You ace the test. You walk out. That is the power of Swipe Trades.
The signal calls are awesome. The swing trade calls are awesome. The information software has given me the ability to analyze the market and make calls on my own. I look forward to being with this company for years to come.
Now we also have daily swing trades. These come direct from our CEO, Mr. Christopher Terry. Swing trades might go for a day or 3 days or 5 days. These are more longer term trades, but he's going to put them right through that app where you guys are going to get his indicator of the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss of trades that he sees phenomenal potential for you guys and gals to make money. Think about it. You are getting information from someone who's made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange. It's not coming from Cousin Cornbread, Uncle Butch, or Cousin Jesse. These are coming from someone who's actually been successful in the market. Now, a lot of times people ask me, Brandon, this all sounds wonderful. It all sounds great, but I'm really busy. I got a job, I got kids, I don't have time for this. How much time do you spend? Let me tell you, 0 minutes a day on the FX Live Auto Trader, 0 minutes a day on the Fusion Trader, and less than 3 minutes a day on Swipe Trades. So in total, on our first 3 to 4 products, you can spend less than 3 minutes a day to absolutely be successful.
Hey guys, my name is Matthew Fagan, and I put in $20. It was the last $20 in my bank account. I know it's not recommended to trade with, but it was the first day of the daily swing trades, and I'm like, I'm sick of these circumstances that's happening in my life. Let's change it. So I jumped on, got $10 up, so I was at 30, and went from $30 to $250, and it's just changed my life completely.
Now guys, in life, the only thing that no one can take from you are the skill sets you develop. You see, a lot of times people say knowledge is power. I don't agree with that. I believe that knowledge is potential power. Knowledge is nothing. Applied knowledge is everything. So just by raise of hands, how many of you would actually like to learn how to become a part to full-time trader? Well, you can do that. So we put together just a couple of services to give you the education that you need in order to be successful inside of Forex. So this is where you learn to trade like the pros. We have what's called IML Academy. Now with IML Academy, you have over 50 recorded educational videos in English and Spanish, the beginner, the intermediate, and advanced training on how to trade Forex. All right, literally from beginner to advanced, going to a level that you want to make money.
I just got done with the IML Academy. You know, it's been a major resource for me, guys. It only took me about an hour and a half to go through. Christopher Derrick goes through every point, 1, 2, 3, very easy to understand. You know, he introduces you to the history of Forex, and he also allows you to get very comfortable in the market, for breaking down all the lingo, the jargon, so, you know, even a beginner can walk into the market, walk into Forex, and feel confident and, you know, like they can become successes in the market.
Now, some people say, you know what? I don't like watching videos. I kind of need that hands-on touch, all right? So we developed what's called IML TV. Now, with IML TV, I'm going to tell you right now, with that product alone, over 35 plus hours a week, translation in almost any language available, where you can get live training, interacting with a moderator on how to become a pro. What is stability? What is resistance? What is a pip? What is a pair? All of those kind of questions people have, learning about Forex, you can learn inside of IML TV.
Also, the live trading, it's another opportunity where you can definitely make a huge bucks, guys. It's unbelievable how we should be grateful for this technology going all over the world that make for us easier to seek for the financial freedom.
And the live trading sessions, there's no way that I'll be able to flip my $50 to $5,500 in a matter of days. You know, it really is earning while you're learning.
Live trading London session with Christopher Derrick. Christopher Derrick has proven to be a great leader, a great teacher for us. He's teaching us all how to take our Forex skills to the next level. Personally, he's taken me to a whole new culture, to a whole new level of trading, and that's just the beginning of it, guys. So I love this product, and I know you guys will love it too.
Now, the final product that we have, the final service, is called the Harmonic Scanner. Absolutely phenomenal. This is an extremely accurate indicator. And what it does is it scans the market for what's called harmonic patterns with about 89% accuracy. So for example, when you see these red and blue lines going up and down, a lot of people don't really know what that means. The purpose of the harmonic scanner is to look for these entry points and the exit points. It's going to give you the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss all at the same time with extreme accuracy. So that if you were to use this product, just like our other products, you have the potential to make phenomenal money because it's doing all of the research for you. Now, for proof of how this product works and the benefits, let's see what others have to say about it.
And I decided to go live on a $2,000 account on Wednesday of this week. Today's Friday, and I've already made $441. The system works. Only thing I've used was the harmonic scanner. The training is provided. If you need this, if you're looking for this, you gotta have it.
The scanner has been such an amazing blessing. Not only has it helped me profit through trades, but it's been able to help me teach people how to trade through the foreign exchange market.
Help with the harmonic scanner, it definitely contributed to me turning $50 to $5,500 in a matter of days.
Introducing the all-new IML Web Analyzer, a unique tool that analyzes the Forex markets for potential trade setups using proprietary algorithms. This amazing software will present trade setups to you, at which time you'll be able to use your own strategy or strategies given to you to filter the setups, enabling you to better time your own trades. It scans multiple different charts on multiple different time frames simultaneously and presents the setups for you as it finds them.
Using the web analyzer, I absolutely love it. I was introduced to trading along with this software just a few months ago, and it's the best thing ever. I don't know a lot about trading at this point, and the cool thing is you don't have to. I follow a very simple strategy, and I use a lot of the setups that are provided for me, and I'm pretty much profiting in every single trade that I place right now. So I'm watching my account grow steadily, and I absolutely love it. And I could not trade without it. It's awesome.
Do 5 to 10 trades per day, and successfully, make between $300 to $500 a week, which was all we really needed to kind of get by, and pay bills and pay for groceries and just kind of make ends meet. So this software was very life-changing for me. I still use it on the daily and just really enjoy it. So I would definitely recommend this software for anyone who is completely new to Forex, who has no idea what they're doing.
Now, we give you guys and gals 2 different options of how you can get started inside of iMarketslive. Option number 1, you get access to what's called the Platinum Package. With the Platinum Package, you are going to get access to 4 services: IML Academy, IML TV, Daily Swing Trades, and the Harmonic Scanner. 4 products and services. You're not going to pay $1,000, $500 to $400. You pay one time $195. The monthly 30 days later, from the time that you enroll, 30 days later, is $145. Now think about that. Even one product alone, like the Harmonic Scanner, the value is extremely high, far greater than what you would pay in a monthly subscription fee. Why? Because again, the goal is to have these products to make you money. Okay? Now, option number 2.
These 4 additional options are going to give you the chance to earn while you learn. Doesn't take any education. So for example, Swipe Trades, that's a copy and paste app. The Fusion Trader, that is a mirror trader. The Web Analyzer, we're going to teach you how to use that after you go through the IML Academy. And then FX Signals Live, that is also a mirror trader. Now, you can get these between $10 and $15 per month. With the Web Analyzer, you have a free trial all the way until January 1st. After that time, it is $15 a month. If you'd like to keep it, you can get this entire package of the first 4 plus these additional 4 for $250 one time, and then you pay the monthly of $200 a month. Now you can break it up. If you decided that you did not want one of these products, you can always eliminate it. So $235 up front and then $200 a month, and that starts January 1st after the free trial on the Web Analyzer.
Now, for anyone who is ever concerned about a monthly fee, once again, it always comes down to value, we put together a program called 2 and Free. With 2 and Free, what that says is if I am a customer of iMarketslive, and let's say that I go out and I share it with 2 people that become a customer. I get a link, I share that, they become a customer, my monthly fee, whether it's the $145 or the $185, is waived. Is that awesome? Like yes or yes, okay? It is absolutely waived. That means you get all 7 products and services for free. Okay, most people don't cancel free. Phenomenal. Okay, now you break even, you profit. Okay, you get access to all those for free. So 2 and Free. Guys, you should have multiple streams of income inside of iMarketslive. Multiple streams. Now, a lot of times people will ask, okay, how can I generate more income so that I have more money to invest? That's a concern that a lot of people have, is I just don't have the money to invest. So we put together a plan on a compensation plan to help you guys generate income so that you have more money to invest. You have every dollar that is a dollar as a soldier that is working for you rather than against you. So you become, after you become a customer, what I recommend is when you get your 2 and Free and you have a 3rd referral, you can, if you decide, upgrade to become what's called an IBO. The IBO, Independent Business Owner, you pay $15 a month, it's month to month, there is no contract, gives you the ability to earn commissions for a Platinum package or a Platinum Plus package being sold, okay? So here's how it works. If I go out and I share this, let's say that I share it with my mom and she decides to become a customer. I get a $35 team builder bonus. I can also get a $5 to $10 override once I hit Platinum 600 and Platinum 1000, which I'll show you here in just a second. From here, here's how it works. If I have 3 customers, the company makes me as an IBO a Platinum 150. As a Platinum 150, that means I make $150 a month, $37.50 a week, because we get paid every single Friday, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday, $37.50 a week. That's gonna help you to cover your monthly fee. Now, I'm gonna teach those guys a formula, B3H3, G3, bring 3, help 3, get 3. That means I now have 12 customers. You need a minimum of 3, okay, 3, 12 total, all right? You now are a Platinum 600, making $600 2,200 residual dollars a month, an extra $7,200 a year on top of what you're already doing in your life. Think about that. There's people watching this right now, that is a monthly salary depending on the country that you're in. Some, 2 months. Others, it's groceries, health insurance, car payments, those kind of things. Makes a tremendous difference. Difference between filing bankruptcy and not in the United States of America. Now, as your business expands, just like your network, your Facebook, your Snapchat, your Instagram, as that continues to grow, your network grows. You now have 30 customers. Your minimum requirement is I need at least 3 at any given time. 3 customers. I've got 30 total. The company makes me a Platinum 1000, and that means I'm making $1,000 a month residual income, $250 a week, $1,000 a month. Let me tell you, in over 18 years of doing that, that has never happened with that low of volume or customers/subscribers. 30 customers, $1,000 a month. Now, if you guys want to take this to the next level, like I've done myself and many others, if I want to make $2,000 a month, I need 75 subscribers, customers, okay? 75, $2,000 a month, $500 a week. If I want to make $5,000 a month, 225 customers, again, I just need a minimum of 3. It's going to grow, all right? 500 customers, 10,000 a month, and so forth. Guys, there is literally no limitations to the amount of money that you can make except the limitation that you have in your own mind. Those limitations. Now, another bonus we have called the rank achievement bonus. This is what I call the icing on the cake. If you guys want to be able to hit a rank and maintain that for 90 days, the company says, fabulous job. You hit the rank, you maintained it for 90 days, we're going to go ahead and give you this extra bonus. You can either go spend it or you can invest it if you want, completely up to you. And then the last bonus called the Infinity Bonus, that is a 1% override that you guys have the potential to receive, which can be absolutely massive, paid out one time per month on the 15th of the month. Guys, we have world-class products that are wanted by people all over the globe. We are giving you the ability to let your money work for you. This book, you have to make the decision to move today from the left side of the quadrant to the right side, become a business owner and an investor, and have your money working for you. Guys and gals, you are one decision away, one decision from your whole life changing. That I can promise you. I can tell you right now, you need to get back in contact with the person who shared this video with you. You need to demand their sign-up link, not ask. You need to demand that link, and you need to get set up as a customer today, and I'll tell you why. Simply because it is more risky not to get involved with this company. It will literally cost you money to not be involved with iMarketslive as a customer. Because as one of my mentors said, wait until you get the bill in life for not investing. He said, that is too risky. That is too much of a cost to take in your life. So guys, look forward to working with you. Want to welcome you to the iMarketslive family. Again, the goal, 1 million customers over the next 3 years. We'll see you at the top and on the other side of freedom. Until next time, we'll see you at the top.